And this guy loves onion rings really bad. So we got him some. We got him some onion rings. Oh, these are greasy. Friggin' right, boys. This is gonna be awesome. We got a little bit of that. We got a little bit of this, and we got a fucking carrot for Buddy to suck on. Hey, Buddy, we got you something. Yeah, we're gonna go. I got you something, Buddy.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah. Ew. And I got you safety equipment because this is very safe. Oh, Buddy, what do you think? What do you think?
Oh, it looks like she's gonna be pretty safe.
It's gonna be awesome, right, Buddy?
Yeah.
Hopefully, it doesn't hit that light.
I don't know.
Let me see.
Something hit me.
Is there mustard coming out of it?
Here. Not too safe.
Look at the onion rings, though, dude. Those are still mostly
bad.
Good. What do you mean?
There's lots of onion rings all over the place again.
Again.